Hi guys. Father Roy. Hello po. Lazy Cave. Sir Brian. Hello guys. Have a good day. Arjan. Sir RJ Cruz. Kamusta kayo guys? Sorry hindi ako makapag-live ng Sobrang sama pa rin kasi ng pakiramdam ko. Pero ilalaban para sa bayan. Sa bayan ng ating silanganan. Sinilangan. Thank you. Ate Ana, Ate Ina, Yexel, hello po. Kuya Dino. Ate Ina, thank you so much. Lag ba ako? Ang hirap magpakabit ng net. Hindi na, okay na. Super ba? Sorry na, Sir Al. Thank you, Sir Al. Get well pa dito. Thank you, Team Twice. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Team Twice. Siyempre, basahin natin yung letters na binigay ng Team Twice. Ayan yung letters na binigay ng mga Team Twice. Babasahin ko na po siya. And also Team Assorted po. Ayan, babasahin ko na po siya. Dearest Chani. Ito, Dearest Chani. It's been a wild ride and for quite a while for some of us in this team years now. We have been part of the silent supporters from your live selling on TikTok and Facebook to your TikTok content, your dedication and passion for your respective crops bring much joy and inspiration to countless people, including us. Oy, grabe naman. You have a source of random smiles since the pandemic. Smiles that up to now help people cope with their own personal battles. Ay, it was because of you two that we met new friends whom we now call Team Assorted. Ayan na. On our first monthsary as a group, we want to let you know that we are here to stay. We will laugh with you, cry with you, good or bad, sad or happy. We are here still silently supporting you and your brands. No expectations, no pressure. We are enjoying everything you both share and offer to us. Kasi gusto ko guys na nagsusupport kayo pero yung hindi kayo nape-pressure. Kumbaga go with the flow lang. Kung ano yung mangyayari, kung hindi, edi hindi. Gusto ko masaya lang tayong lahat. Thank you for spending time with us even after a long day of work. Thank you for sharing with us even some of what should have been private for you to. Thank you for taking the time and treating us like your real family. We may be few in our group and you may not hear much about us, but know that we are always behind you, cheering on you. Ay, thank you so much. We choose positivity and happiness with you too. As our source, we choose to contribute well. Sir Ninong Bray, Engineer Walde, Sir Tops, si Kentoy, si Ate Chris, Ate Chair, and also kay Ate Pami.